Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best siding nailers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Siding Nailers. Siding nailer is used for nailing siding to a wall. This type of nailer is the newest member of the nailer family. In the past, the framing nailer was used to do the job of the siding nailer. Woodworkers had to use rubber domes with their framing nails to hide the larger nail heads and prevent them from piercing right through the material, mostly because of the overwhelming power. Number 5. Hitachi NV65A 2.5-inch coil siding nailer. The NV65A has everything you need, including a high-capacity magazine, tool-less depth adjustment, a 360-degree exhaust diverter. Main features: depth of drive adjustment, 5-year limited warranty, long-lasting rubber grip. Number 4. Duo Fast 500 2950 0-degree coil siding nailer. More reliable, save money not having to go back. Powerful drives nail flush into Hardy's board every time, proven increased durability, withstands job site abuse. Main features: powerful performance, versatile application, lightweight, only 4.5 pounds. Number 3. Bostitch Coil Siding Nailer N75C1. It drives 15-degree wire weld collated and plastic inserted nails with shank diameters of 0.090 inch to 0.131 inch. Weight 4.9 pounds. Main features: adjustable depth guide, lightweight aluminum design, perfect for high volume. Number 2. Max USA Corporation CN565S3 Supersider Siding Coil Nailer. Easy 360-degree twist adjustable exhaust deflector allows the user to easily divert exhaust air away from themselves without any tool. Main features: easy twist adjustable deflector, easy nail load magazine, anti-double fire mechanism. Number 1. Freeman PCN65 Pneumatic 15-degree coil siding nailer. We manufacture tools with the most durable materials under strict quality control guidelines, suitable for professional contractors and do-it-yourselfers alike. Main features: ergonomic grip handle, tough and dependable, lightweight and durable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.